Hey friends, if you wish to download and install NVIDIA graphics card drivers on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what to do. So open a browser and search for NVIDIA graphics card drivers. Okay. The newer ones can be downloaded easily. All you need to do for the newer ones is to update the drivers. But for older ones, go to the official website. Okay. And then search for the product category GeForce, and then you can select other details. For example, in my case it is the RTX 30 notebook series, and then I'll select the TI one because that's what it is, and the right Windows, and then I'll click on find to find the drivers. Okay, once the drivers are found, the latest drivers will still be on the top. All you need to do is scroll down and select more versions, so it will show you the older versions. Select the version which you wish to download, like this Game Ready driver which was launched earlier, and then you can simply click on download for it. And once it is downloaded, you can click on open to install the app. I won't click on open because it will override the current drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.